Welcome. In front of me is a Doogee S40, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from a SIM card to the device. And to get started, you'll want to open up your standalone contacts application, which... see if I can find it. Oh, there we go. So right over here. Once you open it up, you want to then tap on three bars right over here. Go to settings at the bottom and scroll down where you'll find import option. This will give you a couple options, so VCF file or SIM card. I mentioned SIM card, so that's what I will stick with, and then I can tap on OK, and this will show me all the contacts that are on that SIM. I also selected the device, which will allow me to import it. So right here, as you can see, it selected all the contacts by default, and if you don't want some of those contacts, you can simply deselect them like so. Additionally, if you have some kind of contacts that are deselected and you can't check them, the same way as it is right here, as you can see, contact already exists on your in your list, so the phone is simply stopping you from importing duplicate contacts, and that contact already exists on your phone. So anyway, going back here, once you have every contact that you want to import selected, click on the import button. This will give you the amount of contacts that have been imported, and when you go back, you should be able to find them right over here. So anyway, that is how you would import your contacts, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.